Introducing Vaclife series iONE Handheld Vacuum. Elegant pure white with metal embellished design. Easy setup so you can use it right away. Motorized brush. Cyclone technology 21 kPa suction power on most surface. "10-meter long wire cover enough space to move freely. More flexibility on movement and hard reach places. LED light helps you see the hidden dust. Additional attachment included. Empty the bin with a touch of single button. 4-stage filtration system and cleaning made easy. Vaclife series iONE from Electrova.